If you don't know how to cook, find someone who will cook for you. Welcome to my TED Talk. Today's topic ingredient is indeed the carrot. And since we've had a nice meat-centric run, let's focus on a more vegan-friendly meal, shall we? 2 medium-sized carrots of your choosing, 1 medium-sized onion, a 1/4 cup of cilantro, 1/2 teaspoon of fresh coriander, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder, and a couple spring roll wraps. With the way we typically start these videos, let's prep our ingredients. Dice up your onions and then finely mince your cilantro before we strategically move on to grating both your carrots. And then add your coriander to the mortar and pound away. Saute your onions over medium heat till you can see through all their lies. After which, go ahead and add in all your carrots to the mix and cook them till they become nice and fragrant. Season with salt to taste and add in your turmeric, chili powder, and coriander. Then stir it in and cook for a few more minutes, making sure to taste it and adjust season if necessary. Lastly, throw in your cilantro for a minute or two and then take off the heat, and let's move on to the wrapping part. Cut your sheets down the middle and then place a dollop of your filling at the edge. Wrap the first corner like so, then wrap the other corner like so, and then close it off like so. Some of them might not be perfect, but hey, if all pork chops were perfect, we wouldn't have hot dogs. Do this as many times as you can and it should yield about 16 of them, in batches of 8, I think. As for the deep frying portion, just make sure your oil is heated on medium heat and your pseudo samosa spring roll should be just fine. Typically, they should rise to the surface in about 30 seconds or so, and then you flip and repeat. Any longer and your oil isn't hot enough, and any shorter then your oil is too hot. It's all about trial and error, but once you get the hang of it, you should be just fine. Then, you can go ahead and do 2 at a time, whatever floats your boat. As for your sauces, you can serve with mango chutney, or if you like being kicked, go ahead and swap it out for a sweet chili sauce. And there you have it.